Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to show you how easy it is to install the Linovision GoBox on a wall or pole mount. The Linovision GoBox is designed to be simple, straightforward, easy to install so you can start using your security system right away. Before we get started, I want to remind you to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you can find out about all of our future uploads. Let's get started. Inside the GoBox, you'll find everything you need for the installation, including 2 steel bands and 2 clamps for pole mounting, and 4 steel wall mounts with the appropriate bolts to secure them to the GoBox. The installation can be very straightforward and easy because this is all the parts that you'll need to secure it to the wall or the pole. So we're going to get straight into the installation and show you how that works. If you're mounting the GoBox on a pole, here's what you need to do. First, insert the steel pole mounting brackets into the designated slots on the back of the GoBox. The mounting brackets have an adjustable plate that you slide into the mounting slots on the back. Next, insert the steel bands on both ends of the pole mounting bracket. The mounting bracket is designed in a way where you can loop the steel band back through for smaller poles and a tighter fit, so to not waste any material. Next, wrap the steel bands around your installation pole and secure the steel band with the included locking mechanism. In this example, I am using my hands, which is not recommended, but just so you can easily see how that device works. You can easily use a flathead screwdriver to tighten the steel bands. Finally, double check the stability to make sure everything is snug and secure, and that's it. Your GoBox is now firmly mounted to the pole. Easy, right? Now let's move on to the wall installation. For wall mounting, you're going to follow these easy steps. First, attach the 4 steel wall mounts by sliding them into the designated slots on the back of the GoBox. The 2 larger steel wall brackets will go on the top side of the GoBox. Using the included bolts and washers, insert the bolts into the GoBox integrated slots. The larger mounting bracket will then be placed on top of the bolt and secured to the GoBox. Make sure to use both large wall brackets for stability. Next, you'll attach the 2 smaller wall brackets pointing outwardly to the sides of the GoBox. You'll notice that the smaller brackets have a much thinner bottom section. This smaller section and one of the included bolts slide into the integrated slots on the back of the GoBox. And you'll simply tighten and secure both smaller brackets to the rear of the unit. Finally, align the GoBox with your wall's mounting points and mark the spots for drilling. And you're going to want to use all 4 of the mounting points designated here for stability. Then secure the GoBox to the wall using whatever bolts are appropriate for your installation site. And just like that, you're all set. And there you have it, a quick and easy way to mount your Linovision GoBox on a wall or pole. If you have any other questions about mounting the GoBox, please feel free to leave a comment down below or go to linovision.com to find out more. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss an update. Thanks so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.